In New Relic dashboards, template variables are placeholders in the NURCL queries that can be later assigned a value, which allows for more flexibility when handling different use cases. Once you create dashboards with these variables in New Relic on the web, you can easily view them in New Relic Mobile, allowing you to easily filter through your dashboard for more precise data insights. I'll start by showing a dashboard on our website that includes variables and how to use them. From there, we'll take a look at that same dashboard in New Relic Mobile. To create a new variable on a dashboard, click on the Add Variable in the top left, or this plus icon here. You'll then see a form where you can configure the variable. First, you'll input the name to use in queries, and then an optional display name. For type, you can select either a query type, list type, or text field type. The query type allows you to make a NURCL query to get a list of values that you want to use in your dashboard. List allows you to write comma-separated values that will be used in the dropdown for your value. Lastly, the text field allows users to write anything they want as an input for the value. Here, you're seeing 3 example dashboards. These use the NURCL query, list, and text types. On the left here, the NURCL chart shows the top device manufacturers of our mobile app users. The list type variable is showing the device type for iOS. And the text type shows a table of usage based on country codes. The variables for each of these are up here in the top left, where you can see select app version, city name, and country code. You'll also see the default values that I set up when I selected my variable, but you can change them here, or in this text type by typing. So these are your default values, but you can change them however you like. That allows you to filter your charts. Now let's take a look at the same dashboard in the mobile app. Now let's take a look at a dashboard that includes variables in our New Relic mobile app. You can see here from the tiles at the bottom, I'm in the dashboard section, and I've favorited that same example dashboard we saw on desktop, data bytes variables. So we'll open it by tapping. You can see this is the exact same dashboard that we were just looking at. And at the top, you have a variables option. Or if you go into any of these specific dashboards in the top right, you'll have that variable option again. You still have the same power within your charts to do things like scrub and see more detail, or change the time duration of what you'd like to look at. But now, even more powerfully, you can filter by the variables that you set up in the desktop, just by tapping variables. So you can see these are the same variables that we have set up. You don't have to add anything new or enable anything. It's automatically here for you to filter. So for example, if I want to change the city name that I'm looking at from Portland to Los Angeles, just tap and go back, and it's filtered. You can see here, if we look at the query editor, our query has been updated for the city to be Los Angeles. So you can still view the query like before. You can manage your widgets, and you can also share. Again, here's that variable menu. Now this is a text variable, so you could input text. This again is a list variable. And this is a query variable. Again, if we view the query, again, it's updated there. Let's go ahead and adjust the time to the last 24 hours. And you can see that it's changed. If you'd like to go back, tap the 24-hour at the top and back to default. Variables allows you to be very precise in your queries and drill down data even better than ever before. We hope you like this feature and that it's helpful to you.